2025 Advanced Level Cameroon GCE Result PDF free downloads. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you eagerly waiting for the 2025 Advanced Level Cameroon GCE result? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you how to download your result in PDF format for free. First, let's talk about how to check your result. You can visit the official Cameroon GCE board website or check with your school administration. Make sure you have your candidate's ID card and other necessary details ready. Once you have checked your result, you can download the PDF version of all the results. Simply visit the website and click on the result you are looking for. Click download PDF and it will be saved into your phone. Open the PDF and enter your candidate name or candidate number. Click on search. Now, here are some tips to ensure you download your result PDF for free. Make sure you are using the official website and avoid any third-party links that might ask for payment. Also, double check that your details are correct to avoid any errors. That's it. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of downloading your 2025 Advanced Level Cameroon GCE Result PDF for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your result.